Welcome back to another Gemini Dent repair. Here we got Kia quarter panels all crushed in and with some previous repair done on it, so it's all got some cracked bondo and whatnot going on there. So first things first is get it all stripped down to bare metal. Okay, now we got it all stripped down and cleaned up, and you can see all the pin pulling pimples in the sheet metal there, plus a nice hole from the last guy that fixed the dent. Left that there for me to fix up too. Now I got my tower set up, I got my tabs in the box on the ground there, and I got my glue warming up. Now we're just getting ready to pull. Okay, now we're all ready to pull, so I'm going to go ahead and keep constant pressure on that big red tab there, and then I'll yank that front smaller tab off and just work some of the sheet metal while keeping tension on the body panel. Okay, here's how it looks after one pull. We got that first body line looking pretty good. And now we're just gonna use a centipede tab and a robo lifter to try and just walk out that upper crease. So it's looking pretty good after just 3 tabs, and we're just gonna start working some of the other details. That'll get the majority of the damage out. When you're using solar blitz for glue, you got to be careful because it bonds really strong to bare metal, and you can actually overpull the metal pretty easily with a tab this size. As you can see, the solar blitz has a super strong bond. With a tab that size, you will not be able to pull it off with a PDR hammer. And you also see now that it comes off really nice. Actually, you see how when I'm peeling the glue off, there's a good amount of elasticity in it, and that's what allows it to come off nice and easy as well. It has half a strong bond, so that's always nice. So with just 7 glue tabs, I was able to reverse 95% of the damage. And we're all done with the glue now. I just got that little tiny locked in dent there, and some other areas to fine tune. And I gotta weld up that hole. And here we go. Now here I'm just fine tuning the metal with my panel beater. I could have filled it just the way it was, but I like to try and get things as perfect as possible and metal finished as possible before I add my body filler. And here's the finished metal product. We did the whole thing and there was not a single oil can in it, which I was pretty excited about considering it's already been dented once before. I am using my linear blocking tools, which really speed things up for doing dents, if you ask me. And I'll put a link down below if you guys want to check them out. And here we have another happy customer and a beautiful job. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.